Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you that how to fix could not connect on the Snapchat or the video call not working in Snapchat. So our first method is that you have to just check your internet connection. If you are using the mobile data, then you have to just change the router of your internet connection and convert it to the Wi-Fi. If you are using the Wi-Fi, then you have to just turn it to the mobile data, and after doing so you have to just turn on the airplane mode for 1 to 2 seconds, and after this just turn it off and restore your internet connection. Doing so your problem will be fixed. If not, then you have to just move to the next step. You have to open your app store or play store and then search here for your Snapchat and then tap on it. After doing so you have to check that if it is updated or not. If not, then you have to just update your Snapchat. Doing so your problem will be fixed automatically. Our third solution and the most effective solution is that you have to just tap and hold on the Snapchat and then click on the app details. After doing so you have to just click on the storage and the cache and then click on the clear cache and then move one step back and then click on the permissions. After doing so you have to just allow all of these permissions. After doing so your problem will be fixed. If not, then you have to just move to the last and the final solution, which is to open your Play Store and then search here for a VPN which is named as Turbo VPN. Then search it. After installing you have to just tap to open it and then connect it to your device. Doing so your problem will be fixed 100%, and it is likely more better to restart your device, and after restarting your device you apply these all changes. After doing so your problem will be fixed. I hope this video will be helpful for you. For more information you can visit my website, whose link I have shared in this video's description. Leave a like and a comment for this video and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. Thanks for watching.